In this problem, we want to find the standard form of the equation of each parabola satisfying the given conditions. Focus is 3, 0. And directrix is x equals -3. Now these are pretty straightforward in identifying which formula to use, because if they give you the directrix, that tells you which one. Notice here it says the directrix is y equals. This one says the directrix is x equals. Well, what they gave us was it told us the directrix was x equals, which means it matches this bottom formula. So that's one we're going to be working with. Okay, let's take a look at the focus. Focus, they tell us, is h plus p comma k. So this right here is going to be h plus p, and this right here is k. We're working with the bottom formula. Our directrix is x equals h minus p, so they're telling us this right here is h minus p. Now your goal in all of these problems, it doesn't matter which direction you're going, but your goal in all of them is to find your h, to find your k, and to find your p. Once you have that, then you pretty well have everything. It doesn't look like a k, I know, but let's try it again. There we go. Oops, where'd that 0 come from? There. Okay, that was one step ahead. We found k. They say k is equal to 0, so that's there. But now we have h plus p is equal to 3, and h minus p is equal to -3. Well, this is a system of equations, and we can solve this using the addition method. So we can add these together. H plus h is 2h, p minus p drops away, 3 minus 3 is 0. Then we'll divide both sides by 2, and we get h is equal to 0. Well, then we can plug the h equals 0 back into one of these equations and find out what p is. I'll plug it into h plus p is equal to 3. We just said h is 0, so I got 0 plus p is equal to 3, or p is equal to 3. Now remember, those are the three things we're needing. We're working on the bottom formula. Bottom formula is y minus k squared is equal to 4p times x minus h. So we plug in everything we found. We said k was 0, so we got y minus 0 squared is equal to 4 times p. P we said was 3. Then x minus h, and h we said was 0. Do a little bit of simplifying. Y minus 0 is y, so we got y squared equals 4 times 3 is 12, and x minus 0 is just x, so that's 12x. So our answer is y squared equals 12x.